Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing garlic Parmesan cheese air fryer steak fries. So these are steak fries we're putting in the air fryer. I got the air fryer kind of preheating up a little bit, but at 400 degrees. So what you're going to need for this is, I got two very big potatoes. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half a cup of grated Parmesan, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter of a teaspoon of, well, that was a tablespoon of the garlic powder, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and pepper, also a quarter of a teaspoon. Okay guys, let's get this going and then enjoy it. Okay guys, as you see, I got a big bowl here. We're going to put the potatoes in those as I cut them. Well, what we're going to do here, we got our potato. First thing we're going to do is cut this thing in half. And we're going to cut it in another half. So be careful not to cut yourself. And we're going to take this piece and cut it in half like so. And we're just going to cut it lengthwise like so. Cut it lengthwise like so. Right. Maybe you can cut this a little bit better there. That's 1, 2. Just want to have them cut nice, kind of about that thickness there. So, yeah. All right. So we're just gonna get them all cut here. Alright. So you see, well, I'm going to finish this up, cutting the potatoes up, then I'll show you the next step here in a minute. Okay guys, we're on the next step here. I got the steak fries all cut up here. I think I'll be able to get that whole thing in there. First thing we're going to want to do is take our olive oil, just kind of drizzle it on the potatoes. Just get them, mix them in a little bit here. Make sure they're good and coated. You want to make sure your hands are clean for this thing. And you just get in there and make sure that it is coated with the oil. Alright, so there we go. Now, take our garlic powder, put it on there, a tablespoon, and we're going to put our half a cup of Parmesan cheese in there, the quarter of a teaspoon of salt and pepper, of each there, quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of the pepper, and you're just gonna get it good stirred, make sure that it is coated on there. Yeah. Let's make sure we got a good and coating here. So now what we're going to do is wash my hands off to get this off. Alright, now we got this going on here. We're going to open this up and we're going to put our fries in the air fryer. I think it might not get, it won't get all in there, so we'll have to do 2 batches. But we'll do the first batch and give it a try. Alright, so we'll put this in here. Okay, at 400, we'll need it for 20 minutes. Okay, we got them cooking. After that, we'll do the second batch and we'll enjoy. So I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes when this thing is ready to go. Okay guys, we're almost done. What I've been doing here for the last 20 minutes, every few minutes, been taking the thing and shaking it a little bit to kind of get an even heat and even browning of the fries. So as soon as this finishes up here, we'll be good to go. Give it a good taste here. We'll put in the second batch and we'll let these cool a little bit. The fries cool. I got another bowl to put them in to let them cool, and I'm gonna make room for the second batch as well. And I'm pretty sure it'll taste really good. So let's see here. It shouldn't be too much longer here. And there we go. All right, that's done. All right, look at that. Those look good. Yeah, we'll just take those and dump them out. God, look at that. So let's just put the second batch in. So, put that in there. Set it for 20 minutes and 400 degrees. Okay, and start it. And oh, there we go. Alright guys, I'm going to let these cool for just a little bit longer too, and we'll give it a taste test here. Okay guys, I'm going to grab one of these up here. A little bit, I've been waiting a little bit, they're still warm. So here we are, we're going to give this one a try. These are good. Cheese melted perfectly. Well, not melted, but browned on there good. Garlic's just right. Alright guys. These were the garlic Parmesan air fryer steak fries. I really enjoy them. So, okay guys, well, I hope you guys take time to comment below what you think about these, and also if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday morning, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure videos as well. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm gonna start working a little bit more on these fries. They are good. Is it brown? I'll brown that up. Oh my.